How to fix F1 racing games so that they look like they should look since the introduction of the Halo. Hello, my name is Kele. I've been playing games for over 30 years, and my favorite genre is racing games, whether they're arcade-style driving simulators or racing simulations. I've spent hundreds, even thousands of hours enjoying titles like Need for Speed, Euro Truck Simulator 2, Dirt Rally, Project Cars, and Formula One games. As games have evolved, we've seen increasingly realistic experiences. The physics in these games have improved so much that we can now fine-tune every aspect of our cars, even adjusting tire pressure with noticeable effects on performance. Tracks are scanned using lasers and LiDAR systems, achieving accuracy down to 1 millimeter. This has given us excellent racing sims like iRacing, Assetto Corsa, Project Cars, Air Factor, and many more. Visually, these games are stunning, but there are still some details that bothers us as players, and companies often overlook them. One such detail is the representation of windows. Racing cars use plexiglass, which behaves differently than regular glass when it cracks. While this is only a cosmetic issue that doesn't affect performance or visibility, it's still noticeable. A more significant problem arises in F1 racing games due to the introduction of the Halo device, which the FIA has made mandatory for all F1 teams. When playing newer F1 games, the Halo is accurately modeled, but it presents an issue from the driver's perspective. Instead of appearing as an abstraction you look through, it feels as if you were looking at the Halo pillar directly in front of you. Let me explain further. The average distance between human eyes is around 65 millimeters. If there is an object directly in front of you that is narrower than this distance, you can still see what's behind it if you focus on the area beyond it, rather than the object itself. In this presentation, which serves as a visual example rather than an accurate representation, we'll first look at how the cockpit view appears today in games. The camera is positioned in the center, and the halo clearly obstructs the view of everything behind it, as it is a solid, not non-transparent object. However, when using both eyes, the situation changes significantly, with the average distance between human eyes being around 65 millimeters, and the halo is approximately 20 millimeters thick. We should be able to see what's behind it if we shift our focus to a distant object. In my example, the green beam represents field of view, and the blue-green beam illustrates this effect. This is how it should look in games. Now, returning to the F1 gameplay image, if we apply the principles from my example, the center halo column should be represented differently. It should look something like this. As you can see, the halo column now reflects how our eyes would perceive it when focusing on the car directly in front of us. This change greatly improves visibility and is more accurate to real-world driving. I am not sure how challenging this would be for game developers, but I noticed that iRacing retains the center column while making it semi-transparent. While this is a good step, it doesn't quite match the effect shown in my examples, which I believe is achievable. That's all I have for you right now. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.